Let's have another example. So here we have Mr. Santos is a newly hired nurse at a government hospital. He earns a monthly salary of 40,208 pesos. So let's compute his annual, semi-monthly, weekly, and daily rate. So based on the given problem, we are given his monthly salary, which is 40,208. Okay, that is equivalent to 40,208 pesos. Let's start first by computing his annual salary will be his monthly salary multiplied by 12. Yeah, 1 year equals 12 months. Okay, so we multiply this by 12. So 40,208 times 12. That will give us total of 482,496 pesos. Okay, that's his annual salary. Next, let's compute for his semi-monthly. Okay, so semi-monthly is equivalent to the monthly salary divided by 2. Okay, so we have 40,208 divided by 2. So this is 20,104 pesos. So that is his semi-monthly. Now let's compute for his weekly. So for weekly, yeah. So take note that in 1 year we have 52 weeks. So we will use 52 weeks. So for weekly, we will now divide the annual salary, the one we got earlier, by 52. So annual is 482,496 divided by 52. So that will give us 9,278 point, let's round this up, 77 pesos. Okay, so that will be our weekly salary. And last one, our daily. Okay, we take note that for daily, in 1 year, we will have a total of 365 days. So let's divide the annual salary by 365. So 482,496 divided by 365. So this will give us 1,321, okay, 0.91 pesos. So I did some rounding up. Okay, so 1,321.91 pesos. Okay, and that's it. Ta-da! All right.